Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement Sensing and Diagnostic Module, also known as the Airbag module in a Holden CG Captiva. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the SDM tile. Once loaded in, we'll head up to the flashing tab and we'll make sure we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll go ahead and click the right button. This will then begin downloading the required calibration files to suit this module in this vehicle. After that, it will then begin the flashing sequence. The flashing in these vehicles takes roughly 10 to 15 seconds for a calibration only write, which is what most vehicles will do, but it can take several minutes if needing to do an operating system update. Once it's done, we'll have a pop-up indicating that the flash was successful, so we go ahead and click OK. We'll then head up to learn functions where we have two options to do. We do our VIN security link, which only takes a couple seconds to do, and then our option configuration learn, or also known as the SDM primary key learn, which takes a few moments to complete as well. After that, it's all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.